On March 17, 2023, officers with the Delran Township Police Department were dispatched to a report of a hit-and-run crash at the jug handle for Chester Avenue and Route 130. Officer Christopher Cloggis arrived on scene and first made contact with the driver of a white 2018 Ford truck. The driver told Officer Cloggis that he was driving the truck for work and that when he was waiting at the traffic light, a wrong-way driver sideswiped his vehicle. After striking his vehicle, the continued driving the wrong way before turning onto Route 130 North and pulling into a parking lot.
So what happened? Are you injured?
I'm not. No.
What happened? You can
stand normal. Stand normal.
So, all of this is previous. I have a police report about all of the other injuries to the car. I have it in my wallet.
All this didn't just happen?
No.
Well, this happened.
Well, yes.
This tire and maybe something else because you hit something. Remember when you hit? What you hit?
No, I didn't hit anything.
They had your
I
tire
come out,
out like that.
so
You can just stay in the car, it's fine.
make a left turn, and somebody blew the red light.
Did you don't have to.
Alright, so like obviously I know that like I'm at fault. I get that.
We're just trying to figure
I'm
out.
sorry.
Listen. We're just trying to figure out what. Did
No,
you?
I know, but like you're
Let me
giving
talk.
me like
Let me-
really bad anxiety.
let me
like
talk.
I know, like I have a police report.
Can you let me
about-
talk? Can you let me talk?
Absolutely.
Did you go over the jug handle on Chester Ave?
Yes.
So you were coming from Chester Ave,
Yes.
and you accidentally went straight into the jug handle the
So
wrong way.
we're coming from Crawford's. I'm going home.
You can put your hands up.
I'm going home.
So you
So
can't.
I'm coming
you're-
from up this way.
So at what point did you go into the jug handle the wrong way?
Honestly, I don't know. That's my fault.
Like, were you coming up Chester Ave or were you coming down 130 this way?
I was coming up this way,
Okay.
and somebody else hit me, and then I kind of got startled.
Somebody else hit you?
Yeah.
Where did that
somebody
happen?
else hit me right here.
In the jug handle
Honestly,
over there?
because I'm not an idiot. I know that obviously I shouldn't be driving, but I know that somebody else shouldn't have hit me, so I pulled over here and pulled over. But my car has a lot of damage.
The officers eventually located a white 2017 Jeep Compass matching the witness descriptions. Officer Cloggis headed over to the parking lot and made contact with the driver, who was identified as 23-year-old Delaney. As he was speaking with Delaney, he observed indicators of impairment. Delaney admitted to another officer that she had consumed alcohol before operating a motor vehicle. Based on the officer's suspicion of impairment, Delaney was asked to perform field sobriety exercises.
All right, so I'm gonna run you through a couple tests, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Do you have any issues with your eyes?
No.
Do you have contacts, glasses,
I'm
or anything like
blind,
that?
but
What do
I
you
have
mean?
contacts
What do you mean
in.
you're blind?
I'm legally blind, but I have contacts in.
Or what do you mean you're legally blind?
I'm legally blind,
But
I have contacts in.
Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger?
I can.
Okay. So I want you to stand, feet together, keep your arms at your side, okay? All right, so I want you to look at the tip of my finger. Keep your shoulders straight. Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't follow with your head, okay?
Okay,
Do you understand those instructions?
I do.
Keep your head straight. Don't follow with your head.
I
Alright, so for the next test, we're going to, here, come over here. Alright, so I'm going to have you, stay right here. I'm going to have you start here, face me. So, I want you to get in the starting position, which you're going to have your left foot on the, it's going to be an imaginary line, okay? Left foot on the line, right foot in front of your left foot. Keep your arms to your side, okay? While I give you the instructions, you understand that?
Like this?
Yeah, left foot on the imaginary line, right foot in front of your left foot in the heel to toe position.
Okay. So like this.
We are on kind of an angle here, so we can face this way, and then that way you're not out of bounds. So left foot on the line, right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe position.
Well, what if I'm left-handed?
You left-handed me
Doesn't matter.
No. Keep your arms at your side. Okay? So what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you take 9 heel-to-toe steps. Okay? You're going to go 9 heel-to-toe steps, and you're going to count it out loud as you take the steps. You're going to keep your hands at your side. Once you reach 9, you're going to do a 180 and with a series of small steps. You're going to do 9 steps back. Okay? So I'm going to demonstrate for you. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm doing 3 for demonstration purposes. You're going to take a series of small steps. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9 steps, okay? So you're going to do 9 steps, heel to toe, which means your heel is touching your toe. You're going to keep your arms at your side.
Turn around and do the same thing.
I'm getting to it. You're going to keep your arms at your side while you do it. You're going to count every step out loud. When you get to the turn, take a series of small steps. And then you're going to go back for 9 more, heel to toe, counting it out loud. Do you understand that? Okay.
I can turn around?
Yep. Okay. So,
Sorry.
how are you? How are you with your bounce? We have to run through the test. How are you with your bounce?
Good.
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you have a preference, right leg or left leg?
I'm left-handed.
So, can you bounce better on your left leg or your right leg?
Left leg, I guess.
Okay, so the leg of your choosing, I want you to lift up 6 inches off the ground and start when I tell you to, okay? I'm going to have you lift your leg 6 inches off the ground. Keep your foot parallel to the ground, okay? It's going to be approximately a soda can height. You're going to keep your arms at your side. You're going to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000 until I tell you to stop. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, I'll tell you when to start.
Officer Clog has started with the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. The second exercise was the walk and turn test. During the walk and turn test, Delaney failed to touch heel to toe on each step, turned improperly, took an incorrect number of steps, and failed to count aloud. The last exercise was the one-leg stand test, and Delaney failed to raise her foot in the proper fashion and put her foot down before the test was complete.
When you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, you can begin. Remember, count out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000.
2. I'm sorry. Hold on. Ready? Can I stand on my right foot?
That's fine. You gotta keep your foot out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
All right.
9,
How old are you?
23.
Okay. I need you to place your hands behind your back, okay? Right now you're being placed under arrest for suspicion of DWI. Okay. All right, come on. Go to my car.
Okay.
Based based on the motor vehicle crash, her admission to consuming alcohol, and her inability to satisfactorily complete the field sobriety exercises, Officer Wolf placed Delaney under arrest for driving under the influence. Her vehicle was impounded for a 12-hour hold. According to John's Law, Officer Cloggis transported Delaney to the Delran Township Police Department for further processing.
Can you sign up? Right down the end of the hallway to that door at the end. Can you look over your hands real quick? You good? Give it to him. Just have a seat on the bench, okay?
Delaney was read the standard statement for motor vehicle operators and agreed to submit breath samples. Her alco test results indicated a BAC level of 0.20%, which was more than double the legal limit of 0.08%. Delaney was eventually released pending her court appearance. Officer Cloggis issued Delaney the following citations: operating under the influence, reckless driving, careless driving, leaving the scene of an accident involving property damage, failure to report an accident, and wrong way on one-way street